Today's lesson is about the parts of the body, a Ga language tutorial. This is lesson 1 of the series. We start with the head. Head. Icho. Head. Icho. Forehead. Henna. Forehead. Henna. Eyes. Heme. Eyes. Heme. Nose. Gugon. Nose. Gugon. Mouth. Nabu. Mouth. Nabu. Chin. 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 Neck. Kwe. Neck. Kwe. Thank you very much for listening. Continue to learn, continue to get tuned in to more of this series. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you.